Do you want to get pretty much unlimited traffic? If so, stay with me. I've got something really special to share with you in my review of RSS Traffic Rocket 2.0. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead. My jokes, they're really, really bad. They're stale, they're as stale as the pretzels I have sitting on my desk. And I just bought these pretzels and they're stale. Go figure. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my ask? Well, it's very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Seriously, nobody wants crap. I don't think even you want the crap. I think that you just like saying that. He likes to annoy me. That's what it is. That guy drives me crazy all the time. He takes turns with Bart and Newman. Anyway, whatever. But seriously, if you are new, the way this works, if I like about that, we'll give it a match the product great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And you see, Liz, she is an absolute sweetheart. She says the same thing all the time, but who can get angry at her? She says such nice things. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure to smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. And let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for RSS Traffic Rocket 2.0 with PLR. This is from my friend Alessandro Zamboni. Alessandro is one of the top marketers on Warrior Plus. He really makes a ton of sales all the time, does this constantly, and really is able to bring in the money. What's really cool about this, besides the fact that it's going to teach you how to do real traffic, he's also going to let you have PLR to this thing, which I think is insane. He's basically handing it to you on a silver platter, saying, hey, here you go, take it, run with it, sell it, use it as a bonus, do whatever you like. And anybody who knows me knows I'm a big fan of PLR. I love PLR stuff. This is a particularly good course. But I do want to tell you about my custom bonus before we take a look at the members area. Okay, so basically what the deal is like this. So okay, in order to tell you, I kind of do have to show you the members area. So actually, I can't even show that to you. Never mind. Bottom line is this. I'll show you the members area in just a second. It's basically just a download link, and then you download a zip file. Now the thing is, with the zip file they're going to get, it's going to come with the docx file that you can edit, and it comes with the graphics, but it does not come with a ready to customize e-cover. It doesn't come with a ready to customize sales page. Okay, those things are not included with this package, so that's what I'm going to be giving you when you pick this up from me. Let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick. Actually, you can just see it's literally just a download link. There's nothing else here. When you download it, you're going to get a zip file. You open up the zip file. It comes with all the stuff you need. But if you want to customize this cover, that's not available to do. That is not included. But I'm going to give you the ebook cover so you can customize it and with your own ebook covers. Give it a completely different name. Make it look different so it looks unique. I'm also going to be giving you a ready to deploy sales page that you can use with WordPress. It's completely free. If you don't have hosting, you can get hosting for free. Also, there's a website called 000 Host. You can host your WordPress site there completely for free. Okay, or on WordPress.com, either or. You can use what I'm going to give you. It's going to show you exactly how to do this. And again, you're going to get these 25, actually, I think it's 30. Ebook covers. You can choose one of them to customize. Of course, you'll be able to use them for other things if you want to use them for other things as well. I'm also going to get my ready to deploy sales page. Again, ready to go with the plugin that you need. Everything is included for you. All you got to do is load it up, follow the instructions, and use it. in order to be able to start selling this thing. Now, I want to tell you about what the course is a little bit before we discuss whether I'm going to give a tip of my hat to Alessandro. So unfortunately, I can't, just because of the fact that the way sharing works on my computer, I can't show you the actual text, because right now what I'm showing you is just my browser, and unfortunately I can't open up a docx in my browser. So I'm going to tell you, and in any event, I'm not sure if I really should be doing that, because I'd be giving away Alessandro's trade secrets. What I'm going to tell you is like this. Basically, he's going to teach you how he is able to drive red hot traffic using RSS feeds. It's a really cool trick that I've never heard of before, by the way. And I thought I've heard every method of driving traffic. This one is really interesting, very, very cool. He uses a simple website, which is free, by the way. You can use it totally for free. And he's going to show you exactly what to do in order to hook things up so you can actually drive traffic from other people's blog websites. It's totally awesome. You can even drive traffic from YouTube videos, totally awesome stuff that you can actually do completely, totally for free. And again, when you pick it up from me, you're going to get my ebook covers. You're also going to get my ready to deploy sales page, all ready to go for you. It's going to be included for you for free. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip as the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, I love this. You the man. I really like this thing a lot. I think it's great. Grab this one. You're going to love this.